In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access help and support on the Fresha platform. Whether you're running into a minor issue or need assistance with a more complex question, knowing how to reach out for support can save you time and frustration. So let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Fresha dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage your services, clients, and bookings. Once you're at the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see either your initials or your profile picture, depending on what you've selected for your account. Click on this area, and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. You want to select the option labeled Help and Support. It's your doorway to getting the assistance you need. Clicking on this option will take you to a dedicated help page designed to guide you through whatever challenges you might be facing. On the Help and Support page, you'll be presented with 3 options for contacting Fresh's support team. These are designed to cater to different preferences and service levels. The first option is Email Support. This is a great choice if you have a non-urgent question or issue that you can wait a little bit of time to resolve. Simply draft your query and send it to the email address provided. Be sure to include all relevant details and any screenshots that might help illustrate your issue. For those of you who subscribed to Fresh's premium services, you'll have access to 2 additional support options. First, there's live chat support. This is particularly useful if you need immediate assistance but prefer typing to speaking with someone on the phone. Through live chat, you can communicate with a support agent in real time, allowing for quicker resolutions to your issues. Lastly, premium users also have access to phone support. This option is ideal if you prefer speaking directly to a customer service representative and if your issue is a bit more complex or nuanced. A direct conversation can often smooth the way to a speedy and efficient solution. Once you've reviewed these options, choose the one that best fits your needs. Whether it's email, live chat, or phone support, Fresha is committed to providing the assistance you need to keep your operations running smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll always have the help you need at your fingertips, ensuring you can resolve any issues quickly and get back to focusing on your business. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos.